Meanwhile, back in January.
I can't get you out of my mind. It's like I feel it for the first time. Been thinking about you all night. I've been searching for this all my life.
Good morning, Bahamas. Today is I believe it's our third day. And we are here. We landed in Nassau. And Jay wants to know, what is that? Let's see what Jay is referring to. What is what? A boat? That little thing in the water? It's probably like a buoy.
A buoy?
Yeah.
What's that?
It's just something that kind of floats in the water. And then maybe, yeah, that's probably it.
This is not the one with the hotel?
Yeah.
The hotel?
Baby, I don't know. I don't live here.
But you're supposed to see it. Yeah.
Good Lord. Maybe on the other side. I mean, maybe, I don't know. We finally made off the ship. It was a struggle, y'all. We had to hurry up, get breakfast. These two kept forgetting everything. Then they didn't want to put clothes on. I convinced them. So the best they could do was a sweatshirt.
It's not that hot. It's not that hot. I give it to Tanisha. Okay, so what is this?
Why you brought the tie?
Where's your dad?
Look at my dad looking like a tourist.
Okay, y'all. So the ride here was nice and smooth and easy. Yeah, we got some drinks between Jay's legs. Hold on. Here's the thing. Here's mine. This one used to be mine. But oh my God, it was so strong. It was so much rum. I asked him if I could just have one without no rum. So he gave me this.
I poured a little bit on.
Yeah, I poured a little bit of in here. Because I was like, yo, I'm a lightweight. Jay tried to stop me. He's like, no, just drink it. How dare you not drink alcohol like that?
I thought she was going to trade it in. I'm like, oh.
No, I wasn't going to trade it in. I was honestly going to ask for a smaller cup. I just needed some in a cup. And then I could have mixed it. But he filled this one up and there was no room to mix, you know.
Jessica, you bringing the stuff?
And then look at Aaliyah trying to get up. Oh, poor Theo. They're both about to drown. I'm like, they both about to drown. look easy when you was looking at it like, oh, we can do that.
This one is easy compared to the one that we had. This is easy. This big.
Too funny. Oh, they got up. And then you have this one. All right, y'all. Jay got that whole triangle turned over trying to do something with it. We don't know what he's trying to do, but whatever he's trying to do is not working. Oh, nice. He about to fucking drown. Why does he have his feet through there? Another fail. Look at your dad, he's so tired. Games start like about every 15 minutes, new games. I seen you at the top. I visualized it. You are tired. Look at you.
I have like a pimple right here. This is the food I'm talking about.
You want to get your hand for you?
No. Okay, so right off the boat, we're gonna stop here and try the crack conch. But it looks like this may be like the only, this is the only little food spot we've seen.
I can't get you out of my mind. It's like I feel it for the first time. Been thinking about you all night. I've been searching for this all my life. You're just